I'm about to hang out with my buddies when my wife says I have to fix that car before I can go anywhere. Oh, for heaven's sake, isn't this the car my father-in-law left us 20 years ago? Nah, looking at the car, I really don't know where to start to restore it. If I don't look closely, I'd think this is a pile of scrap metal abandoned in the woods. The exterior of the car is covered in dust and dry leaves, creating an old, ragged look. The rear of the car is heavily rusted, especially around the license plate and bumper, as if it has been gnawed by time and harsh conditions. The car's paint is patchy, peeling, and brittle, breaking into chunks, exposing the rusted metal underneath. Ugly scars crisscross the body of the car, like the marks of a long battle with time and neglect. This car isn't just abandoned, it seems completely forgotten, turned into a rusted heap in the wild. Wife, are you kidding me? I'm about to go inside and cry when I remember my friend Tom, the car washer, with 3 generations of car washing expertise. This time, only Tom can save me. First, we pump the tires full to get the car ready for a new journey. The two of us still don't have enough strength to lift the car onto the flatbed. I call my friends for help. After much effort, we finally drag that 4-wheeled pile of scrap metal to Tom's house. Now, Tom is sitting down to assess the car's condition. Honestly, I love baby blue, but not this rusty paint job. The baby blue paint has turned into a patchy mess with peeling and faded spots, creating a truly pathetic image. Not only that, the car smells horrible, as if it has been a toilet for homeless people and drunks for nearly 20 years. The stench is overwhelming, making it hard to believe this smelly thing was once a Mercedes, a symbol of luxury in the auto industry. It's heartbreaking to witness a once-renowned piece of art turned into a pile of scrap metal in the wild. All right, we start cleaning up the car. First, it's vacuuming and trash removal. With his skilled hands, Tom quickly gets rid of the mouse nests in the car. The tire we just pumped up is flat again, so we have to inflate it and clean it. Tom uses his magical soapy water, and after a few scrubbing moves and a rinse, the tire is back to its original shape. I'm starting to enjoy this work. Next, we wash the car exterior with the first round of water. The filthy blackness gives way to the baby blue color I love. Tom sprays another layer of high-pressure water, and the car's true paint finally emerges. We continue scrubbing other parts of the car, with each layer of dirt washed away by Tom's hose. My friend shows off his skills by running the hose in straight lines, revealing the stark difference between before and after washing. Next, we move to other details of the car, starting with the fuel cap and then the rear end. The car windows become clearer, and I can see the interior through the glass. OMG. It turns out that this pile of scrap metal is a Mercedes 300 TD, one of the most beloved classic models of the Mercedes line. This leaves me stunned and excited. It's unbelievable that the car has returned to its magnificent beauty, like a precious gem revived after years of neglect. To my surprise, Tom continues to display his expert car washing skills. Gradually, the stubborn dirt gives way under his magical water hose. All right, Tom, let me give you a hand. We both start scrubbing the car, restoring the classic baby blue color to this gentleman. Next up is one of my favorite parts, spraying the car with a thick layer of white foam. The Mercedes looks like it is covered in snow. We continue to scrub every small detail on the car. Tom's hands skillfully move the cloth gently over the car to avoid scratches. Finally, a rinse washes away everything to help the car transform. Of course, the journey to revive the car is only halfway through. We still have to deal with the interior. When we lift the carpet, the stench of urine hits us like a punch. A few cockroaches scurry around, confused by the sudden disturbance of their home. The large cracks and peeling paint reveal the rusty metal underneath, creating a pitiful and haunting image. All right, let's vacuum and clean the car's interior. As the dirt washes away, I notice the baby blue color is also painted inside. At this point, I am too tired and leave Tom to continue. Tom swiftly vacuums up all the trash in the car. He uses the super brush passed down from his great-grandfather to scrub away all the grime. From a battlefield of dirt and decay, the car's blue paint gradually emerges. Now, onto the seats, the musty smell and the remnants of the rat's filth continue to assault our noses, even through our sturdy masks. With the passion for car cleaning passed down through 3 generations, Tom perseveres, vacuuming, washing, and scrubbing, restoring the car's prestigious blue color. Next is cleaning the car mats. What the hell happened here? The musty smell is even worse, as if they have been fermented by the remnants of rats for 20 years. But Tom doesn't give up. He quickly scrubs away the dirt with 1,000 meticulous strokes. As his hands move, dirty water flies from the mats. From the slimy mats, the original black color of the mats now becomes clear. Look, this is all the wastewater we collect after today's scrubbing. It looks like it has been extracted from the Cuyahoga River in the 1970s. Now, Tom is analyzing some issues with the car's interior. He finds a heap of trash and cockroach nests in the car's compartments. The poor guy almost faints, having never seen a car this filthy and pitiful. But with his love for cars, he quickly proceeds to vacuum and scrub. Every small detail, like the air vents, dashboard, and doors, is meticulously cleaned. The white foam bubbles spread evenly across the surfaces, making it refreshing to look at. The stubborn dirt starts to give way to the clean, shiny surface, making everything unexpectedly fresh. The control buttons and gear lever gradually appear in a bright, shiny state, looking as if they have just come from the factory. With each layer of dirt disappearing, the refined beauty of the dashboard emerges. This is what a classic gentleman like the Mercedes 300 TD should have always possessed. Tom continues meticulously scrubbing each detail of the steering wheel. He carefully uses a cloth to remove all the dirt and grime that have stuck to the wheel over the years. Once covered in filth and grease, the steering wheel now reveals a shiny, vibrant surface. Look at the trunk. It has undergone a spectacular transformation compared to the horrifying cockroach nest it was initially. Tom moves on to cleaning the car windows. Every time he moves the cloth, the transparent glass emerges, reflecting the light from the garage lamps, bringing a clean and fresh look to the car. This action not only cleans but also breathes new life into the car, detail by detail. Bit by bit, Tom's patience and meticulousness completely transformed the rear window from a dirty and opaque pane into a shiny and clear surface. Seeing the result, one cannot help but feel amazed and excited about this dramatic change. Finally, it is time to polish the car. Oh, Tom, it's wonderful to have a friend who loves car washing as much as you do. With focus and professionalism, Tom uses the polisher to transform the blue paint on the car's body into a beautifully shiny surface. I can even see my reflection in this paint. The polisher moves evenly and rhythmically, gradually making the small scratches disappear, giving way to a smooth, glossy surface like new. Each polishing action not only improves aesthetics, but also demonstrates meticulousness and dedication, turning the car into a vibrant work of art. Looking at the final result, it is hard to believe that this was once a filthy and old pile of junk. The polishing process has truly given it a new look, making the car shine and full of energy, ready to capture every gaze on the road. Watching the video, you might think that reviving this car is quite simple and quick. Tom uses almost all of his magical soap just today. As for me, I miss my hangout with friends. But still, I secretly thank my wife and Tom for helping me witness the Mercedes 300 TD's transformation from a disgusting cockroach nest into a sophisticated and elegant gentleman.